Hi friend, welcome to Locust Street Cottage. Today we're going to talk about crazy neighbors at your urban homestead. I think I've mentioned that we had some crazy neighbors, which meant we didn't get a whole lot done on the homestead last year because we had crazy neighbors next door yelling at us all the time. My crazy neighbors are now gone, and I want to tell you the 5 things we did that made them have to move. First thing you need to do is make sure that you are following all the rules. For instance, in my city, we're only allowed to have 6 backyard chickens. We have 3. Hi, ladies. We also can't have permanent structures closer than 15 feet to the fence line. So we have this temporary structure. It has no foundation. It's just a little chicken coop sitting on the ground. I'm serious about that. Hi, Mr. Owl. Are you keeping the bunnies safe? So you have to know the rules, and we'll get to that in a little bit about how you can find the rules. In my city, rabbits aren't considered livestock, so there's no limit. Kitty, what are you doing? I don't know, if I had 100 rabbits back here, somebody might call the city, but I don't know what they do about it. Hi, did you come for pets? Once you're positive that you're following all the rules, hold on, I'm being followed by bunnies. Girlies, what do you need? You keep coming over here. I'm trying to make a video. Well, come on over. Okay, now that you're positive you're following all the rules. Step 2. Document. Document. Document some more. Whether it's videos or pictures or simple audio, just document. Don't respond, just document. Step 3. Do not respond. I mean ever. Like, don't respond. Sometimes it's really hard and you want to say something when they start calling you names or attacking you. But you want to be the reasonable, sane one. Trust me on this. Let me show you what happened on the last night that our neighbors were living next to us.
Watch.
Good. Come on. Yeah?
You ain't doing a good job.
You're not doing a good job there, old
Eric.
man.
You in the army? You
Come
this
on.
week? You this week? You was.
Who's the crazy one in that scenario? The other thing you need to do, and this goes back to step number 1, is know your municipal code. You can find most of your city municipal codes by just typing in municipal code and your city. Make sure you include the state as well. It is not uncommon for cities to host their municipal codes off of the city website. I live in Springfield, Missouri, and they host their codes. I can search them at a place called Municode. Are you obeying all the rules, Pockets? Once you've found your municipal code, read it through once, read it all the way through twice, read it again 3 times. Make sure you understand the definition of all of the main keywords. There should be a part in the very beginning of each code that says these are how we're defining these words. And if you still need some clarity, there's no problem calling the city. That's what they're there for. Call whatever the main number is and ask them which department is in charge of enforcing these ordinances in the city. In our city, it's called BDS, or Building Development Services. I don't know what it's called in your city. Now it's time to put into use all that documentation you've been doing. When you file a complaint, you have to provide proof of what your neighbors have been doing wrong. I'll show you some examples. Now, obviously, screaming at us over the fence line for a year was not illegal, but they were also hoarders. So with all the reading that we did, we were able to find many violations over in their property. And we started the process of reporting, and we reported, and we reported, and we reported. Eventually, the landlord got tired of having to tell his tenants to clean up their crap. Additionally, we figured out that the rental wasn't actually legal anyway, so I guess they won't be able to rent it out ever again. So yay us. But that does bring us to step number 6, and I don't think I included this in the beginning. You have to be patient. Many times that we felt like, oh, we should just take this into our own hands. Oh, we should just give back to them what they were giving to us. We should start screaming at them. We should start throwing things at their place. Each time we just said, no, we're gonna be patient. This will get taken care of. These things always work themselves out. Bodie. 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 Are you enjoying this weather? It's a nice day for a furry dog. And ultimately, like I said, it did get taken care of. It turned out that they made too many mistakes and they got away with it for a year, and they thought they were going to continue to get away with it, but they pushed it too far. And now they're gone. So remember the 5 things. Make sure you are following the rules. Make sure you document everything. Never, ever, ever respond to bad behavior. Make sure you know your municipal code and find it online the way I told you. File reports and reports and more reports. But most of all, you have to be patient. It's not going to happen overnight. There's not going to be some miracle cure. Sometimes we just have bad neighbors. Well, most of the time I talk about bunnies, and so if you want to see bunny stuff, you can absolutely click right here. I don't have any more videos about crazy neighbors, but I'm glad you joined us today.
Your purple ass, Barney looking motherfucking shit and go somewhere else. Because all you guys are is just paranoid. Because we haven't left and we're not leaving.
Okay.
So, you can keep filming us, you can keep your little fucking cameras up and do whatever you gotta do, Katie. It doesn't scare us.
Good.
Remember, we're younger. You think you're the only assholes we live next door to? No. But you're gonna be the number 1.
Okay, the number 1.
Yep. You can document all your bullshit all you fucking want. All you are is just a paranoid little bitch.
Okay.
You're scared of everybody. That's why you put your cameras up, is so you guys can watch your little compound.
Okay.
Your fucking little tweaker boyfriends, whatever you want to fucking call them, because you guys aren't even divorced, are you?
Okay.
Bettendorf. You're scared of fucking everybody. Everybody.
It's gonna be okay.
Yeah, I know it's fucking gonna be okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Calm down. Calm down.
No, you fucking calm down. You're the one violating the law by filming us.
Okay.
Voyeurism. Look it up, Katie. You're a smart individual.
The lawyer.
So, keep your shit up.
Okay.
Okay. I'm doing nothing wrong. Bullshit. You're doing everything fucking wrong. It's called violation of